So, what really is cinematography? Well, according to the internet, it's the art of capturing motion picture photography. That's super boring. So yeah, here's my take on it. Cinematography is about telling a really great story. It's about setting the pace, it's about driving emotion and keeping a forward flow. It's about engaging your audience. Most importantly though, cinematography is about understanding instinct versus stimuli. Instinct being a fixed pattern of behavior in response to a certain stimuli, aka an impulse reaction. So, running away from a hungry grizzly bear that wants to rip your face off, that's an instinct reaction. The hungry grizzly bear being the stimuli. The stimuli is what triggered the response to run away. So you're probably thinking, cool Dale, but what the F does this have to do with cinematography? Hakuna those tatas, because here it is. Shooting great video is about learning to control that stimuli. You get to choose what hungry grizzly bear you throw at your audience. In a sense. So, in other words, the more you learn and apply the rules of cinematography, the more control over your audience that you have. You get to control their reactions. All in all, it's about knowing what to look for and why to look for it in order to take better video that your viewers are not going to want to take their eyes off. But before we dive into the rules of cinematography, we need to get some groundwork done on cameras. So, head on to the next lesson and we'll talk about some technical stuff.